Say goodbye to expensive 3D modeling software. FreeCAD is here to save the day. Join me as I make a switch from TinkerCAD to FreeCAD for my upcoming projects. In this video, I'll show you why FreeCAD is the ultimate open source solution for all your design needs. Get ready to explore the top reasons why FreeCAD is the go-to choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's unleash our creativity and take our designs to the next level with FreeCAD. Hello, I'm Zachary and welcome to this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and let's get into the video. From the start, TinkerCAD has been my go-to for creating parts in many of my videos. It is an enjoyable online software that is particularly user-friendly for beginners. It's easy to use and perfect for anyone just starting out. TinkerCAD has some limitations and throughout time I have encountered them very often. Let's list them for a moment. For example, you are working on some basic shapes that you need to adjust to get it right. When combining them, using the group tool to get a new shape. Using the alignment tool to get the shape into the middle, left or right side from the other shape where you want this shape to go to. If you want to change the dimensions one of those shapes, you need to first ungroup the whole part till the moment you get the right shape that needs the adjustment. After the adjustment, regroup the whole thing again, and if you want to make circles, well, you need to adjust the sides in order to get a rounder circle, because standard it is not really a circle. These are some things that I have encountered when using TinkerCAD. I don't say that it is a bad or terrible online program, but there is a better and faster way of doing things, especially when you want to design your own 3D models and parts. For this channel, I want to focus more on project-based videos and less single standalone videos. And to make those projects to work, I need a better CAD software. FreeCAD is, free. I have watched some videos on YouTube channel FreeCAD Academy that helped me design step by step in several videos some amazing models. I will put the link in the video. After watching this video, you can download your own FreeCAD and starting the tutorials for yourself. And believe me in this, it isn't hard to learn it. And within a few hours or evenings, you have some amazing looking models made by yourself. During the tutorials, I have noticed that some things might look very difficult, but once you have used them and practiced it more, it is getting easier. If you need to make some adjustments, just go into the sketch and change the dimensions. Make the radius or diameter bigger or smaller, and guess what happens? The 3D model is going to be adjusted without you needing to ungroup it. Making bigger or smaller fillets, well, change the radius of the fillet and that is added to your model and you are basically done. I'm still a beginner with FreeCAD and there is still much to learn for me, but I'll make little time-lapse video from a tray and show you what this program can do. And of course, there will be more FreeCAD related videos coming when needed for upcoming projects. Why not smashing the subscribe button and see where I'm going? If you're not subscribed yet, well, you know what to do. There are big things coming, so stay tuned. Please like this video, and every Friday I will do a Friday evening hangout, live streams. Come and hang out and celebrate the pre-weekend. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time. Peace. Bye-bye.